Rome, the Eternal City, a place where history, culture, and breathtaking architecture come to life. Ready to explore its most stunning landmarks? Let's dive in. Our first stop, the legendary Colosseum. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, this ancient amphitheater once hosted epic gladiator battles. Today, it stands as one of the most visited landmarks in the world. Next, we step into St. Peter's Basilica, the heart of Vatican City. Known for its stunning dome designed by Michelangelo, this church is an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of faith. Make a wish. The Trevi Fountain is one of Rome's most enchanting spots. Legend says tossing a coin into its waters ensures your return to this magical city. Strolling through Piazza Navona, find charming cafes, stunning fountains, and vibrant street performances. Lively Square is the perfect place to soak in the Roman atmosphere. Step back in time at the Roman Forum, once the center of ancient Rome. Imagine walking through these ruins. Emperors, senators, and great leaders once gathered. Rome is waiting for you. Explore these places yourself. Check out the best Rome tours in the link below.